Okay, Vivien. Gonna work on you again?
Yeah, I'm going to do some relaxing irritable fascia, and it's got the awkward V-gridding.
V-gridding,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, V-gridding's a little bit difficult for people, so we'll see how it goes, and I'll see if I can help you stay on track.
Been practicing.
Yes.
I've got the beautiful stones here.
Yeah, that's Thunder Bay Amethyst and Diopside.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to start with the midline.
Okay.
Okay.
I can feel you've connected in. It's making a big buzz in my brain. Ooh, that was a bit close.
Yeah.
That's strong.
Yeah, about that. Okay. I'm starting a little further back.
Yes, but I can feel you connecting correctly, so that's nice.
And I'm doing more of a straight line across versus following the contours.
Correct. I think it's a bit more comfortable when you're a bit further away from a physical body, like you were a bit close here.
Okay.
I felt. So I'm not sure if you were or you weren't. I'm just wondering.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a practice thing.
Yeah. No, but this feels correct. What you're doing now. It feels comfortable. Ooh, wow. It's amazing how much itching and reaction is being set up inside my body. It's weird. Very strong, very nice. Yeah. Ooh, that's good, Linda. That's excellent.
Starting at the top center, right. Down the leg. I can't remember if that was 2 or 3.
It felt like 2. It felt like I could do with another one. But I always ask, is that enough? And before I move on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then down the arm, right?
Yes. Oh, that feels so nice. I feel like I'm just going to go to La La Land now. Ooh.
I love that feeling.
It's like having a shower, except without the water. It's so interesting. Nice. Did you feel how you got sensitive to something in the energy field and you accommodated over here above my arm? It was interesting.
Yeah, it was like something was holding the stones for me. And
Yeah, that's what happens. Ideally, the stones and your energy field just harmonize and you're just holding them so that can happen. And you don't have to do it once you get to a certain level of connection with the stones, the energy field, the rhythm,
and my
and
helpers.
the skill. And the helpers, and being comfortable with the skill. That was great.
So I'm going to move on to your legs.
What about this side?
I should do that side first.
I think so.
Okay.
For the balance, because I
balance.
feel so different from right to left. It's crazy.
So I start with the midline.
Yes.
Well, I think I started a little close.
It's still nice. Nice.
See the breathing changing.
Yeah, it's all perfect. Very, very nice sensation.
Alright, now we'll do the legs.
Yes.
So I'm going to start with the V grid, kind of above the knee.
Yes. That was good. I could feel the crystals connecting through the tissue of my leg. I can't see what you're doing, but I can feel it, and it's right. Yes, that's right. Because I can actually feel the fascia releasing and softening, which is the whole point of the procedure.
Now I'm going to do down the sides.
Yes. Yeah, very powerful. I feel all the fascia unwinding and releasing. Really excellent. Phew. And the difference from my right leg to my left leg again is very clear.
Then I'm going to do the feet.
That's nice. Wow, that makes my foot want to open up
More.
and move and do all kinds of interesting releasing things. Wow. Good stuff.
Yeah.
Nice. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very strong.
Okay.
Ooh, lovely. Thank you. Nice. I just feel more alive. It's the only way I can describe it as an overall sensation. It's like the cells in my body are woken up and are dancing around with enjoyment instead of just feeling all sore and fatigued and irritable. It's a wonderful experience. Nice.
Under your feet.
Wow. The feet, working on the feet and the energy of the feet is a profound thing. It really is profound. Very nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's wonderful.
You can go out dancing tonight.
I feel like I should go dancing right now. Thank you, Linda. That's
You're welcome,
amazing.
Vivien. Thank you.